Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into some new colors from Kozmik Nails, and these 5 beautiful colors here are perfect for the summer season, and it's part of the Surfing USA collection. Now we're going to be doing some color blocking on one of the nails here, and we're going to be doing a lot of taping on the nail that you see right here. I'm using that 3M medical tape. I have it linked in that description box below, and then I'm just using the silicone tool to really press down that tape. So we're going to start out by using Hang 10, which is the perfect retro teal color, and the names of all these colors are amazing. And wait till you see how full coverage this is. Check it out. Isn't this gorgeous? And there's just something about these colors, the whole like retro feel, and it's really perfect colors for your collection. And wait till you see the yellow. It is gonna be mind-blowing and how much pigmentation and color payoff you get with the first dip. You're going to see that yellow here in action in just a moment. So I went ahead and applied a gel base to that area of the nail where we're going to be focusing on that Hang 10 color right on the cuticle line area. We're going to start off there. So I went ahead and cured the nails for 30 seconds. We brushed it off, and now we're going to go in with another layer of gel base. Now I am doing the gel method for this mani here, so when I do brush off the dip powders, that means I did cure the dip powders for 30 seconds, so just keep that in mind. I do not show the curing on camera. So we're going to go in with a second layer of this beautiful dip powder, Hang 10, and it's even more beautiful with a second dip here. So again, we're going to go ahead and do Hang 10 on the color blocking nail as well, and just want to make sure that you're focusing that gel product just on that area where you want that Hang 10 teal color, because that's just going to help when you're peeling off that tape to get a really smooth, clean finish. If the tape does rip off, you can use a tweezer to get like little pieces of tape where it kind of separated from the big piece, and then you'll still get your clean, crisp line. And then I'm also going to show you a way to file, kind of like sharpen up that line a little bit. So I went ahead and cured that, and now we're going to carefully peel off this tape. And peeling off the tape, again, it's a little bit of battle, but it's definitely worth it. So that line is already looking really good, really straight and crisp, but I just wanted to crisp it up a little more. So I'm going to take this file, and we're going to go ahead and just gently file away that line there just to straighten it up a little bit. And since we already cured it, that dip powder is already as hard as it's going to get, so you can definitely go ahead and file and buff. Okay, so now we're going to be using Good Vibrations, which is a beautiful coral red. It is all that retro-y goodness, and I'm just focusing that gel product there just in between Good Vibrations. I'm sorry, Hang 10, that teal color, and then we are dipping into Good Vibrations here, and you can see here that color is very pigmented, and with one color it's like a bright neon coral color, and it is really stunning. So I'm just taking my time. I'm really focusing on not getting that gel product on that teal color above, and if you do, you can wipe it off with a lint-free wipe and start over. You just want to make sure that you're really focusing on getting that gel product in that area that you want to do that color blocking, just to keep that teal really vibrant. So I went ahead and cured it, and we're going to dust it off, and again, we're going to peel off that tape. So like right here, if you were ripping off that tape and it didn't come off in one piece and it came off in sections, you could use tweezers and then get those little pieces of tape that kind of broke away. So definitely fixable. And then we're just going to go ahead and crisp up that line, and you can see here we have like the perfect coral line. So now we're going to do another piece of tape, and we're going to go in with California Dreams. Now this yellow, it's a really pretty yellow. I must say it is like the perfect lemon retro yellow, and we're going to do a full nail of this yellow so you can really see the color payoff. But this color right here, it's bright, it's vibrant, it is gorgeous. It is everything retro, and I am loving it. This yellow is just perfect. And yellows can definitely be hit or miss. Yellows can tend to be very chalky. They can be a very like harsh like white ness background to it, or like undertone, but this yellow is really pretty, and the pigment is there, and the color payoff is definitely there. So cured it, and now we brushed off that powder, and then we're gonna peel off the tape here. And I will say that peeling off this tape is oddly satisfying when you see that clean, crisp line. Now, color blocking is totally optional. I used to stay away from color blocking because I tried it once and I failed miserably, and then I never went back to it. But then I went back to it, and now I'm like completely obsessed with color blocking, especially with this 3M medical tape. It makes it a lot easier. So now we're going to go back into that beautiful teal there, and I'm just focusing that gel product right below that yellow, and we're dipping back into hang 10 here. And overall, how retro-y is this nail? Isn't it giving you total retro throwback vibes? I'm loving it so much. I really love the teal and this beautiful bright red coral and then the yellow. It's like total retro, and I'm living for this mani right now. I'm loving these colors. I think this collection is so fun. It is a set of it is a set of 5 colors, and all the colors coordinate so well together. So right now we're gonna go ahead and continue on with some of the other colors here. We're gonna dip into Good Vibrations here, so you're gonna really see this color payoff here. And you can see it's more of like a lighter coral with that first dip, and then when you go in with a second dip, it just really brings this color to life. It is a really awesome, beautiful color. Now, these colors are also going to be really good for that fall season. I know we're all enjoying summer right now, and this is a Surfing USA collection, but these colors would be perfect for fall. Now, originally, you're probably like, what happened to that piece of tape on that nail? So right here, California Dreams, I was originally going to do some more color blocking, but then I was like, I really want to focus on this beautiful yellow so you can see this color in all its goodness, because this yellow is really good and it is like the perfect lemony yellow, but yet it has like a hint of darkness to it because it has like that total retro feeling to it. But it is gorgeous and it's bright. And here is that finished mani here. I went ahead and did that pinky nail off camera for hang 10 there, and I just love how it turned out. So now I'm going to go ahead and file and buff the nail. I'm only going to show you this one on camera here. So this is, the buffing's really going to bring these lines together and just become one, and it just is the perfect finish after filing and buffing. So all I did was buff the nails and then clean up the sides there with a file, and then we're gonna finish up this mani here with my favorite gel top coat. This is from Bling Galleria, and I do not have any flaking or peeling with this top coat. It's also HEMA free. If you do ever experience flaking or peeling, if you just finish a mani with a top coat, go in with a layer of base, cure that for 30 seconds, then go in with your favorite top coat. But here's the finished mani, and how fun is this mani? The name of this collection, Surfing USA, is perfect for these colors. These colors are amazing. They're great staple colors. They're so fun. They're really awesome, and they performed really good. They're very buttery, they're very pigmented, and I did not have any problems with any like patchiness or splotchiness, especially with that yellow California Dream, and I love it so much, and I could not be happier with this mani. There's something about these colors, and then that color blocking is giving me definitely all those retro feels. And it is actually called California Dreamin'. I keep calling it just Dream, but it is California Dreamin', so I do apologize for butchering that name. But this mani here, it's everything to me, and definitely one of my favorites. And I've never would have thought of pairing these colors together, and I'm so happy that I did. And if you follow Kozmik Nails Facebook group, you probably saw some other amazing manis using these beautiful colors. And if you haven't, I will link the Facebook group in the description box below, but definitely head over to Kozmik Nails and check out these gorgeous colors. You could not go wrong with these colors. You can get them in sample sizes and then 0.25 ounce jars. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, and I will see you all in the next upload.